Hello and welcome. In this episode, I'm showing to you how to use Arduino with a push button without any resistor or any external components. And that's because we don't need to use a push button with a pull up or pull down resistor. So we start by declaring that everybody knows that we must use a push button with a pull up or pull down resistor to make clean and nice signals without any errors. So we make Arduino reads between two states, either high or low state. If we didn't use a resistor with a push button, then we get a bad signal. But there's something about Arduino or any microcontrollers that it has internal pull up and pull down resistors on each pin of the microcontroller used in Arduino. It's the 80 mega. So we use this internal pull up resistor while connecting the push button to the ground pin and pin number 12 or any digital input pin you like. So let's see the code here. We start by declaring some variables. Button pin number 12, the LED, the internal LED number 13, or you can use another LED. And this is the button value. That's the variable. We read the value of the button on Arduino. Then here is the code that we enable the pull up resistor. We choose the pin mode, the button pin number 12 as input, but with pull up resistor enabled. This piece of code enables the pull up resistor, and that's it. That's all you need. And here is the pin mode of the LED. We use it as output. The pin number 13 connected to the internal surface mount LED on Arduino. Then in the loop function, we read the value of the button. Button value, read the button value. If the button value is low and it's connected to ground, then the LED is high, is turned on, else the LED is turned off. That's all. Then we start by simulating this code. When we push the button, the LED is illuminated, as we can see here. When we leave this push button, the LED is off. So here somebody may wonder, and this is completely possible, you may wonder what's the reason for this physical pull-up resistor or internal pull-up resistor. What if we didn't first connect any resistor, or we didn't enable this internal pull-up resistor? So we are going to test it right now by not connecting a physical pull-up resistor and by not enabling this internal pull-up resistor like this. We are going to remove the internal pull-up resistor and then we start simulating, we see that the LED is on whether you are pressing the button or you don't press it anymore, and that's because the value on this pin is always low. And even if you went further and you disconnect this pin right here and start simulating, it's also always on because this pin is always reading the low value. And this might be different in real circuit, because in real circuit it might read low or any random value between 0 and 5 volts. And that's the main reason why we connect the physical pull-up resistor, or as we do here, enable the internal pull-up resistor in Arduino. That's it. We've learned here how to enable the internal pull-up resistor and use Arduino with push button without any external resistors as pull-up or pull-down resistor. I'll leave the link to this project on Tinkercad in the description of the video. So if you didn't yet subscribe, please subscribe to this channel to get new videos. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.